Welcome back, guys. This video is sponsored by Aftershock. Your rig, your choice.
They build desktop and laptops for gaming and even for work purposes. They also have been awarded 3 times Tech Award Reader's Choice from 2016 to 2018 by HardwareZone.com. And Aftershock is one of the best PC companies you can find in Singapore. Check out on the link in the description below. What's up, fellow builders? Builders Joe here. Welcome to my channel.
So right now we all here have they sponsored me this video. So basically they gave me all these PC parts to tell me to build a PC for them. Right. So over here I have a i5 9400F, okay, and a motherboard Aftershock B365 Pro 4, right, and 16 GB of RAM, total, okay, and one 265 GB SSD, 1 TB hard drive, and as for the power supply, as you can see here, Hyper K 600W. After that, we have the water cooling from Aftershock. They have their own water cooling, and all the Spectra fans. Okay. So, most importantly, their graphics card 1660 Ti, right, also there. And for the big boy right here, we have, I have no idea what's this. It's a very big case. I would like to see what's this. Alright, so let's get to the building. So first of all, let's check out our so back to where I was just now. We got the screen, the lock close. I just lost it. Again. Oh no, wait, okay, good. So I got to screw and you screw it to your SSD.
So first off, for this build, I don't know about the cost, but one thing I do know is that actually two is that it's gonna be very rainbowish looking, and also a PC worth buying as it is big and almost like the size of an Lindley PC. And also the case I'm working with is cheaper comparing to Lindley. And also this build comes with a small chip that serves as a Wi-Fi. This is new to me because never have I seen a small internet chip before, and I would recommend anyone buying a new PC with that for wireless internet connection. Also, I forgot to mention, Aftershock provides 3 years of warranty of the PC you bought from them. So if anything happens, they will assist you in the problems you are facing with your PC, as Aftershock takes all their customers' PC seriously with TLC, meaning tender loving care. So in Aftershock, I noticed all their PCs are built differently, as they have their own unique kind of style that stands out from the PCs you purchase outside. So when I was building, one of the builders in Aftershock saw me filming and also building and corrected my way of building. He was a nice person and also slowly guided me in building. Even though he could just ignore what I was doing, but instead he just helped me and showed me that wow, this is how enthusiastic they are towards building PCs. And also, to be honest, it was my first time doing vertical mount for a graphics card, and he showed me how to do it. He even told me step by step on how to do it rather than just tell me oh, you just have to put it vertical up and just screw it in. If you guys are wondering what games can actually run on Zotac 1660 Ti, I'm here to tell you. With a 1660 Ti, you can run games like GTA 5, Witcher 3, Assassin's Creed, Battlefield 1, etc. and all those AAA games at ultra settings with a minimum 60 to a maximum 140 FPS. So there you have it, the rainbow goodness, the ultimate Aftershock, your rig, your choice.
That's all for today's video. So if you like this video, do hit the like button so I can get more sponsors to be able to make more of this kind of video like Aftershock, the cool company. And also, do subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. And also, comment what you like about this video. And as always, see you builders all next time. Build on!